Hey guys, welcome back for another week. This week we're going to be talking about FHA gift funds and what documentation is required per FHA. FHA states that gifts refer to contributions of cash or equity with no expectation of repayment. Not just anyone is allowed to gift funds for our borrower. FHA states an acceptable party is the borrower's family member, the borrower's employer or labor union, a close friend with a clearly defined and documented interest to the borrower, a charitable organization, a government agency or public entity that has a program providing homeownership assistance to low or moderate income families or first-time homebuyers. Cash on hand is not an acceptable source of a donor's gift. FHA states that we must provide a gift letter. The mortgagee must obtain a gift letter signed and dated by the donor and borrower that includes the following: the donor's name, address, and telephone number, the donor's relationship to the borrower, the donor amount of gift, and a statement that no repayment is required. We must document the transfer from the donor to our borrower. If gift funds have been verified in the borrower's account, obtain the donor's bank statement showing the withdrawal and evidence of the deposit into the borrower's account. If the gift funds are not verified in the borrower's account, obtain the certified check or money order or cashier's check or wire transfer or other official check evidencing payment to the borrower or settlement agency, and the donor's bank statement evidencing sufficient funds for the amount of the gift. For the gifts of land, obtain proof of ownership by the donor and evidence of the transfer of title to the borrower. If the gift funds are being borrowed by the donor and documentation from the bank or other savings account is not available, the mortgagee must have the donor provide written evidence that the funds were borrowed from an acceptable source, not from a party to the transaction. When using a gift of equity, it must come from a family member, and you must have a completed gift letter as previously discussed. I feel like this part is common sense, but it is very important as I've seen some mortgage professionals try to work their way around this. The mortgagee and its affiliates are prohibited from providing the loan of gift funds to the donor unless the terms of the loan are equivalent to those available to the general public. Regardless of when gift funds are made available to the borrower or settlement agent, the mortgagee must be able to make a reasonable determination that the gift funds were not provided by an unacceptable source. All right, guys, this wraps up this week. Please make sure you guys are following, liking, and subscribing. And I will see you guys next week.